Hello learners. Today we learn how to create table in a table. So let's start it. First of all, we write document type declaration, doc type HTML. Now we go second line. Now we write HTML tag, HTML, then closing tag. Now we write head tag, head tag. Now we write a title of it, title. What do we title it? We title it HTML table example. Our title is ready. You see it? Our title is ready. Now we write body tag, body tag, body. Our body is ready. Our body tag is ready. Now for make a table, use write table element. So we write table element. Closing tag, table element. There are three elements in table element: table head, table body, table footer. Table head, table body, table foot. First of all, we write table head. Table head, simple form. Table head. Table head. Add closing tag. Closing tag. Table head. Another th element. Th means table head. Another element, table head, th. Now our heading is serial. Use closing tag. th. Now our first head is ready. We add more heading element, th heading element, table head, th means table head. Now we write subject. We make a result sheet, result table. Use another table head element, table head. Now we write GPA. Now our table heading is ready. Ready. Now we write table body. Table head is ready. Now we write table body. Body. Simple form of table body. To the second line. Table body is ready. Table body, there are table rows, table columns. First row we write table row. Tier. Our element is tier. Tier means table row. So our first row we write serials. First row we write 1. Now we write second. We use here an another element, table data. Table data means table data. Table data. TD. TD means table data. Here another closing tag add here. Closing tag TD. TD means table data. Now our first table data is ready. In row there are more data. The first table data is serial, so 01. Add another table data element here. Table data. Table data here. TD. Here also table data. Now our table data element is ready. Now we add our subject name such as English. Here we add another table data element, TD table data element. Now we write our GPA 5 point 0 0. Our first table row is done. Now we write another table row. Table row TR. Table row. Our table row is ready. Now we add table data. Now we write TD element. TD means table data. Table data. Now our second data is here to add another table data element. Table data TD table data. Now we write our data. Another subject write name math. Now we write our another data table data TD element table data simple form of it. Now we write our GPA 5 0 0. Now we add here another table our table row here. Now we add our data. We can see row page. Now serial here. Our 2 row is ready. Now we write our other row. Write table data element TD. Write our 0 3. Add here another table data element table data element. Now write here your other subject name such as biology. You write here another table data element TD table data element table data. Now we write your GPA 5 point. Now our table body is ready. Now see row page. Our table body is ready. The body is ready. Table body is ready. Now what do we write here? We write our table body is ready. Now we add another table footer. Table footer T foot. Give a table footer. Now table footer element is ready. Now we write here table row here. Table row here. Now use table data element. Table data we here no add any data. We here other data. Table data TD table data. We had a result. With another table data element. We write our GPA for C GPA equal 5.00. Our all table is ready. So result is 5.0. Now our all is ready. Now you can use these. Elements, table elements to write your table, and I think you will learn better. For more learning videos, please subscribe my channel and comment what you next class. Goodbye. Best wishes.